Exploring English. Raise your understanding of raise. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on commonly confused adjectives and adverbs. Today, we're going to focus on a word that's often misused, the verb raise. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its definition but also master its usage. So, let's raise our language learning game together. So, what does raise mean? In English, raise is a verb, and it has several meanings. The most common one is to lift or move something to a higher position. For example, you might raise your hand in a classroom if you want to answer a question. Another common usage is in the context of increasing the amount, level, or strength of something. For example, a successful advertising campaign might raise awareness about a particular issue. Raise can also mean to bring up a subject or point for discussion. If you raise a question during a meeting, you're bringing it up for people to consider and discuss. Lastly, raise can mean to care for someone or something until they are completely grown or developed, like raising a child or raising crops. Now that we know what raise means, let's focus on how to use it correctly in sentences. Remember that raise is a transitive verb, which means it needs an object. You are always raising something. So, a sentence with raise might look like this. Raise your hand if you understand. Here, your hand is the object that's being raised. Another point to note is that raise often implies that the action is being done by a person or thing, not happening on its own. If something goes up without an external action, we typically use rise instead. Here are a few more examples to demonstrate the correct usage of raise. 1. She raised her voice in protest. 2. The company decided to raise the prices of its products. 3. They are planning to raise funds for the new project. In each of these sentences, raise has an object, voice, prices, funds, and indicates an action performed by someone. That's it for today, learners. Now you should have a better understanding of the verb raise and its usage in English. Remember, raise always needs an object, and it implies that something or someone is causing the action. Keep practicing using raise in different contexts, and soon it will become a natural part of your English language repertoire. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to raise them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep raising your language learning game. Happy learning!